and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will unbox and set up the IC-LogEt6 single-use data logger. This data logger is mainly used to record the temperature of food in storage and transportation. It helps to accurately monitor the whole process to help indicate whether the food has maintained a safe temperature throughout. In the box, there's a certificate of calibration, a user manual which gives a product overview, operating instructions, and a breakdown of report results. There's double-sided tape for mounting the logger, and the data logger, featuring a simple 2-button design, information on preset alarms, recording interval and start time printed on the device. And last of all, there's a USB which is protected under a lid. No software is required to start the logger or to download data. However, if you want to change recording parameters, you can do so on the data management software. Link to this is in the description. Getting started using the preset parameters is easy. For a status indication, press and release the start button. Pressing this will show the current temperature, battery status, and no other information. To start temperature recording, press and hold the start button for about 5 seconds. You will see a tick appear on the screen indicating that recording has started. The tick has immediately turned to a cross with the upper limit icon illuminating, as this device is outside of the preset temperature. This is between 2 and 8 degrees. As soon as you press start, the device will log every 10 minutes as preset. For a video on how to stop and download data from the IC-LogEt6, see the link in the video description or check out our YouTube channel. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.